And accessories include the wiring harness, the shift lever threading on the right. The new cover plate has the following accessories for installation. First, pull the rubber strip apart. Pull the edges of the trim panel gently. Then gently pry it up with a pry bar. Push the trim panel down. The clips here need to be pried out in advance. To remove this trim panel, start from the back bottom. Pull it out. Unplug the harness. The two ends of the wire harness are new 3 and new Y. The large one is the new Y interface. And the small one is the new 3 interface. At this position, is connected to another port. Connected to this position, a single plug at the bottom to the gray empty socket. Connect the installed harness to the gear lever index. The gear lever lights up to indicate power. Test the product for complete functionality. Braking and shifting to DQ is normal. Pull up to a gear, it's normal. The button on the side is P. P gear is normal. Hide the harness from this position. Pry it up and hide it. Hide it from here to under the steering wheel. Adjust the position of the steering wheel on the screen. Push the steering wheel out to the farthest and down to the lowest. Lift the gap of the cover plate and lift the gap. Repeat the same operation on the other side. Then we take out this cover plate, untie the threading and straighten it, then pass it under the cover. Lift up the dashboard below the steering wheel. Take out the threading line. Tie the threading to the gear lever interface. To facilitate threading, pull back from the top of the threading line. Pull out the interface. Untie the threading. A screw is needed to fix the gear lever. There is a screw in the original car. Then use this tool to remove the screw. Connect the interface to the gear lever. Put the excess wire harness back below. Then align the car position with the screw hole. Screw the original screw to fix it. Fix the neck and cover the new cover. Check the function. And install the rest in the original position.